Liteon Technology is an innovative high-tech company focusing on manufacturing, marketing, and R&D of LED light sources and product application, which is located in Shenzhen, China, with convenient transportation and fast information. The core team have been engaged in R&D, manufacturing, marketing of LED industry for over 10 years. And they have a deep understanding of LED packaging, photoelectric performance, structured design, the market. Liteon Tech offers a wide range of LED grow light and related accessories for commercial growers and hobby growers, perfect for indoor grow test, hydroponics, horticultural, greenhouse, and vertical racket farms. Helps indoor farms grow faster, healthier, and higher yields. Full-spectrum LED grow lights, creative lights very similar to sun-like lights, comply with ETL, CE, ROHS certificates, built with top-performance LED diodes, and equipped with UL-certified waterproof LED drivers like Meanwell, SoSun. They all sells to the United States, Canada, Europe, South Africa, and other countries. We customize our light spectrum to optimize plant growth and increase the yields when consume less energy and reducing operating cost. Customized service, OEM and ODM is accepted including spectrum, lights color, logo, power and package for retailers, wholesalers, and distributors. Choose Liteon today. Choose the best partner for you tomorrow.